Restaurant.
La Pioggia.
Restaurant La Pioggia. With over 20 years of experience, and Sazon with the best, previously called The Yards, we provide the best option for your palate, located in Penjamo, Guanajuato, Mexico, Morelos number 25 Street, corner with Melchor Ocampo, near the Temple of San Antonio.
What does the Pioggia? It means the Pioggia and rain god. Let's invite regale your sense of taste with our Exelentes Cymbals.
We had, with the best pizza, steak, margarita, salmon, Hawaiian, pepperoni, Mediterranean, seafood, Mexican, Italian or special, whether personal, small, medium, large, familiar or jumbo. Also, per slice.
Prepared, healthy salads, Greek, Thai, celery with shrimp, sisa, Spanish, and, on mango.
Pasta a delicacy, spaghetti bolognese, fettuccine, alfredo, lasagna, spaghetti on the donkey with shrimp, and cordon bleu.
Succulent hamburgers, simple, Cuban, Mexican, Hawaiian, flank steak, and mushrooms with bacon.
Now also, rich bun, German, Austrian, Canal, Mexican, Spanish, Uruguayan, Carioca, Cuban, or special.
Delicious baguettes, roundshire, alhambran, traditional, vegetarian, cordon bleu, chicken and light.
Enjoy a variety of combos, or desserts, meat, grill, drinks, beer, or draft beer, cocktails, seafood, or micheladas, plus specialties like dip. We have delivery service.
Phone 46969200472.
Search and follow us on Facebook at Pioggia Restaurant.
Or on our website with this link, you can see the whole menu.
Restaurant
La Pioggia.
Bon appetite.